How to use Unstuck in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Undawn and suddenly got stuck in terrain, mission area or can't move your character at all, then that's exactly what the Unstuck feature is for. It helps you teleport your character back to a safe location when bugs or map glitches trap you. So in that case, first of all, launch open the Undawn game on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Once you're inside this, click on the settings button from the bottom, and on the next page, look for this Unstuck option, click on it, and click on confirm, and your character will travel to a nearest location. It'll take a few seconds and you will be able to unstuck right away. The Unstuck feature in Undawn is basically your emergency rescue button when the game bugs out. Now you can get out of tricky situations without restarting the game every time. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.